Welcome to Chicken Cottage. May I take your order?
Yes, I would like 83233 burgers, 100亿 fries, 132,345 drinks, 967 chicken nuggets, 485,375 veggie wraps, 2367 onion rings, 294 chicken sandwiches, 5098 hot dogs, 80,976 chocolate milkshakes, 12,345 fat salads, 332 drink sodas. 4567 curly fries, 43289 waffle fries, 4532 vanilla milkshakes, 23492 chicken wings and 2901 lamb ribs please.
Excuse me, 83. That is way too much food. You need to order small meals just like everyone else. They are getting sick and tired and hungry because of you ordering for 30 minutes. You're wasting everyone's time. Just order something small already.
What's taking 83 so long? We have been waiting here for 30 minutes and it's getting frustrating. Hurry up already. I want to get large fries for me and Princess Matilda.
I know, right? Is 83 encouraging herself to become fat or something? She could end up like Barney the Fatty.
I'm getting hungry too. 83. Just hurry up and order something small. We are getting hungry all because of you.
I er with flotter girl, stik Guyan Brian. 83. Hurry op and order something small. I godt have get 191 ampere Happy Meal.
I don't care. I just want my order already. Give me what I ordered.
No, we can't accept it. You need to order small meals. You're wasting everyone's time.
Yeah, you better be quick. And you better watch out. These consequences will come to you if you don't hurry up already.
More like you're all wasting my time. That's not how you treat me. That's not how you treat a cat like that. I am 87 and the world revolves around me. 83. You started so many smack. We are getting hungry because of you.
Yeah, the world doesn't revolve around you.
Yeah, the world doesn't revolve around you.
I don't care. I can do whatever I want. And plus, I can order as much food as I want. And plus, you will look fat in starting fat you started. And the world doesn't revolve around you.
Say the world doesn't revolve around me again and I will beat you up big time.
And plus, you will look fat in starting fat you started. And the world doesn't revolve around you.
191 is right. You beat til at over quick med aldre af dy. So you can't go home and at your mail. If you don't say over quickly, til by.
Oh my god, 191. How dare you insult me, call me fat and say the world doesn't revolve around me. For what you just said to me, how about I give you a slice of me, you give me prime number. Hey, get your hands off of me. Stupid dickhead.
Hey, get your dirty filthy hands off of 191 så else I will.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
That's it, 83. I have had enough of your entitled spoiled behavior. You severely punched 191 in the face, insulted me and took too long to order. That was the last straw. We will call the police on you.
That's right. I saw everything on CCTV camera. I can't believe you took too long to order your food and insulted the cashier. You are banned from every Chicken Cottage restaurant in the world forever. And since I own every Chicken Cottage because I am the manager.
And now I am going to call the police.
Well, the police is already here.
You're under arrest. Forever. You're going to jail.
And goodbye, Barney. We hope to never see you again.